Hello. My name is Adam. I am 24 years old. And I live in a small town. I work in a supermarket. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and eat breakfast. At 8 o'clock, I go to work by bus. I start work at 9 o'clock and finish at 5 o'clock. I help customers arrange products. And sometimes work at the cashier. After work, I go home, eat dinner, and relax. I like watching TV or reading a book. I go to bed at 10:30. On the weekend, I visit my family or go to the park with my friends. I like my life. It is simple, but I am happy.